Hi, Erin Johnson here, Outstanding Ohio's most resourceful realtor. And I am here today with a real estate market update for Summit County, Ohio, and it is January of 2022. So the question on your mind, how is the market? Well, it is still a seller's market. That means there is a lot less houses than there are buyers. So that means that when there are houses available for sale, they are selling fast. This is the average days on market over the last 3 years. Again, this is Summit County, Ohio, and you'll see how it's significantly dropped over the last 3 years. This past year, the average days on market's been 33, but houses that are priced well and in good condition are still selling in a weekend, just a couple of days. So that means they're also selling for high prices. The prices continue to climb. You can see what's happened to prices over the last 3 years. That red line at the top is 2021. Prices are up 13% year over year. There's a lot of houses. So the average in 2021 was $111 per square foot versus $98 in 2020. But there's a lot of houses in different areas that are selling at $140, $150 a square, $160, even up to in the 200s in some areas. So house prices continue to climb. And they're expected to continue to rise. This is a chart showing U.S. home price growth over time, and Zillow is predicting a 13.6% increase in prices, and there's other experts predicting anywhere from 2 to 16%. A couple of things driving that are the mortgage rates are still low, even though they've been a little bit on the rise, and that may impact affordability for some. They're still relatively low compared to historic rates, so there's still buyers that want to get into the market. And a lot of them are millennials. We are in a 5-year period where the millennials are turning 30, which is kind of prime time to buy a house. And that is going to continue for the next several years. And there's been low rates of new construction. So combining all those things together means there's less houses available for sale for all of these buyers trying to get into the market. So the prices are expected to continue to rise. So you might ask about timing. Is it the right time to sell? The short answer is yes, because things are selling so fast, it really doesn't matter when you sell. But here is some historical data on that to show you a little bit of the seasonality. Again, this is in Summit County, and you'll see how much less houses there are available for sale over time. So the blue was 2 years ago, gray was last year, and red is this year. You get it, 2021. And then the houses sold have been just as high, if not higher in some cases, than they've been in the last 2 years. So what's interesting is when you add up these numbers, there were more houses sold in 2021. There was 118 more houses sold, despite there being 3,231 less houses available for sale. So that's how fast they're selling and how high demand they are. But you will see this seasonality. January and February is historically the lower time, and you've got your summer typically the highest, but it's starting to level off. We're not seeing these last 2 years, we haven't seen this drop off that we had historically seen in the fall. It's that line's kind of straightening out. So the short answer to this is yes, it's a good time to sell. Really, you need to sell when it's best for you in your situation, when it works best for you. Houses sell all year long. And when there's more houses for sale, you're just going to have more competition as well. So it doesn't necessarily mean you're going to get more for it. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, I'm always here to help, 330-227-4355. And if you're at all thinking about selling this year, I invite you to join our seller seminar, Keys to Home Selling Success. You can get more information and register at ohiohomeselling.com. We have a panel of industry experts that will walk you through the process from beginning to end, including whether you should buy or sell first, what you should fix before you list, moving tips, lending options, you name it. We've got dinner, drinks, discounts of up to $1,500 for attending, so hope to see you there. Thank you.